In this video, I will show you how to set up and use Cloudflare 1.1.1.1 Warp. First, open your web browser and search for 1.1.1.1. Open the official Cloudflare website and select the device you want to install Warp on. If you're using Windows, select Windows and download the installer. Once the download is complete, open the installer and follow the on-screen steps to install the Cloudflare Warp client on your PC or laptop. After the installation is finished, open the app, agree to the terms, and continue with the setup. You can then choose the connection mode you want to use. To connect, simply click the Connect button, and Cloudflare Warp will establish the connection. You can also open the connectivity section to check your DNS connection and view additional information about your connection. If you want to disconnect Warp, open the Cloudflare Warp app from the taskbar or search for Cloudflare using the Windows search bar, then click the Disconnect option. And that's how you can set up and use Cloudflare 1.1.1.1 Warp on your PC or laptop.